Show you the 2018 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, voice-activated navigation system, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, electronic messaging assistance with read function, airbags, front passenger seat cushion. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.